Optimism can change your outlook. When one door closes, another door opens. But we so often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door that we do not see the ones which open for us. Alexander Graham Bell. I'm neither an optimist nor a pessimist. I'm a dyed-in-the-wool possibilitist. By this, I mean with an eco mind, we see that everything's connected and change is the only constant. Francis Moore Lappé. Do not anticipate trouble or worry about what may never happen. Keep it in the sunlight. Benjamin Franklin. An optimist is a person who starts a new diet on Thanksgiving Day. Irv Kupcinet. An optimist may see a light where there is none, but why must the pessimist always run to blow it out? Michael D. St. Pierre. It's hard to argue against cynics. They always sound smarter than optimists because they have so much evidence on their side. Molly Ivins.